Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss stream cipher and block cipher. First, we are moving to stream cipher. In the stream cipher, we are doing encryption or decryption one character or one bit at a time. That is, at a time, we are performing either encryption or decryption operation on one bit. Suppose we have a stream of plain text, a stream of keys and a stream of cipher text. How we are doing this operation? Assume I have some plain text message. This is my plain text message and this is my encryption algorithm. I have a stream of keys, some K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. Generally here we assumed as the plain text size is equal to 5 bits. I am using 5 keys. This is not at all compulsory. I am using 5 keys. For example, here the 1 bit is fed into the encryption algorithm. Assume P is already completed. If P is already completed, it produces an output X. L is already completed. It produces a cipher text Y. Now A is fed into the algorithm like encryption of. Here for the third character I am using key K3. There is no restriction. For one character I am using one key on A. Suppose it produces some output as some Z and so on. Now if you understand carefully, character by character or bit by bit the encryption is performed and cipher text is also produced bit by bit. Here the keys are generated by using either depends on the plain text, or keys are generated by using the previously existed keys, or it may depends on the cipher text, whatever it is. So we already know the mono alphabetic cipher uses the concept of stream cipher. Viginal cipher uses the concept of stream cipher. In these two approaches, we are doing encryption or decryption one bit at a time. Now we are moving to block cipher. The name specifies instead of doing our operation on a single bit, here what we are doing, simply our message is, that is our plain text, is divided into different blocks of size some m. Generally m value greater than or equal to, m value is greater than 1. That means I have a message. My message is divided into different blocks. For example, PLA, this is one block. INT, this is one block. Some EXT, this is one block. Now this entire thing is my plain text. My entire plain text is divided into blocks of same size. Now do the encryption or decryption algorithm on a block at a time by using the same key. For example, here this is my encryption algorithm. Assume K is the key. We are doing the encryption with key on, suppose here I am taking some INT. That means what is the important thing? The same key is used for the entire block. That is, for the entire block, encryption operation is performed at a time. Similarly, for the entire block, cipher text is produced. 3 characters, cipher text is produced as a block. What is the most popular example? We already discussed play phase cipher, which is a block cipher. Here my message is divided into blocks of size 2. Hill cipher, this is also a block cipher. Here also depends upon my number. Suppose is equal to 2. The message is divided into parts of 2 bits. Suppose size is equal to 3. The message is divided into block size of 3. Means here the encryption or decryption is performed on one block at a time. This is the major difference between stream cipher and block cipher. Here operation is on single bit at a time. Here operation is on a block at a time. Thank you.